The 5 Languages of Love is the book which became an international bestseller, written by Gary Chapman, a Christian couple counselor, which I have recently read, and I'm totally bewildered by the fact that this book is so popular, despite the fact that Gary Chapman is trying to solve every possible problem in a relationship by one tool, which makes this knowledge counterproductive in many other situations. And thus I'm recording this movie. The main concept of the 5 love languages in the book revolves around the idea that every person has one main love language they use to show affection towards their partner. A person can be showing feelings through spending time together, giving gifts, doing favors, verbal assurance of love, and any type of physical affection. The author assumes that the recipe for repairing practically every relationship is to find the love language used by our partner and stubbornly show them our love in their language. He advises that it is worth doing it even if you can't see any results for months. Reading this book and listening to the stories quoted by the author, I can clearly see the logical errors that this book contains. First of all, the fact of having just one dominant love language is an obvious myth, just like a popular myth that divides learners into visual, auditory and kinesthetic. Such a division of people can easily appeal to us, but not only is there no confirmation in research, but also in reality. Each of us reads the feelings of a partner in every 5 languages. Possible success achieved with this method may consist mainly in the fact that suddenly at least one of the partners may realize that previously they neglected their partner and did not show them too much affection, so now they start to do it. So in couples where there was some hostility and the feelings generally died out, such a positive initiative can bring positive results. But I'm still convinced that the results would be greater if the demonstration of interest was shown on many different levels, not just only on one. But in the vast majority of cases of relationship crisis, not only will it not help, but it can even seriously harm the relationship, because it puts extra pressure on a partner who is already withdrawn and has enough of constant phone calls, attempt to be hugged or confessions of love, when they clearly don't feel what they felt before, which results in further imbalance of engagement and ultimately loss of all attractiveness. Similarly, when the main problem in a relationship is hostility, communication problems and inability to solve disagreements, just showing love may not be enough. Solving problems in a relationship is very complex because they can often result from overlapping factors that need to be diagnosed beforehand, and only then a solution can be proposed. Treating everyone with the one tool sounds a bit like a doctor trying to treat all patients with the same antibiotics. Some of them may be helped, but most of them will not get any improvement at all, and a handful can even die. If you are in a relationship right now and you'd like to check what are your chances for the relationship to survive, please go to robertmarchal.com and take a free test. And for more future videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Robert Marchal.